There we go. Did I catch another one? Welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you for coming in and showing love. Let's get into what all happened. So I was editing this video and realized that I didn't have a portion of me hook setting one of the fish, and then the fish that's in the thumbnail. I guess that's what I get for living near the hospital. Just helicopters. Wait a second. Anyways, so between the editing process and just recording, I lost footage. Either it didn't record or it just never showed up on the GoPro itself. So there's that, and then just the whole little bit that you're gonna see here in a second. There wasn't a whole lot of story, not a whole lot for me to show you guys, but there was some fish I caught. The fish in the thumbnail, you got to see it, and it was a lot bigger than the first fish I caught. So I mean, there's that, right? So we got that, and then just we eventually fished in a neighborhood pond, which is cool. We had a good time there, which you're gonna see, of course. Had that, and so yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you don't mind, if you're already here, hit the subscribe button. I mean, there's 80-some% of you guys that are watching without subscribing, which is fine, but I really want to grow this channel, guys. I mean, it's something I feel very passionate about, and I would appreciate you guys showing me some love in the comment section, showing what with likes, and subscribing. I mean, it takes 5 seconds to subscribe. I can't talk, but it takes little to no effort to do that. So if you enjoy the stuff, absolutely do it. If not, I understand. I mean, it is what it is. So without going into any more detail or just rambling like I have been, go ahead and watch the video. Gosh, that was a great chain of events right there. He is solid right there at the end, and we were casting there the whole time. Let's get him in there. Not the biggest. Alright, well, get our boots a little wet. We'll tread up a little bit. And then I just want to kind of cast in a little pocket right there. See if we can catch anything in that. There we go. Healthy little smallmouth. Yeah, healthy little smallmouth. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, fought like crazy though. Yeah, well, I was right. Ah, next cast got hung up. Did I catch another one? Oh gosh, I caught another one. He's a little chunkier than the last one. Oh my God. That looks like a spotted, or I don't know what he is. Just another largemouth. Another good sized largemouth for today. That was 2 back to back. I thought I was hung up. Let's try to get her casted out there before I get sent back to the nether realm. That looks freaking deep over there. All right, well, we can cast up that way. Here we get some. That thing is hard about keeping a. Nope, we had a bite right there. Ah, the amount of wind. I mean, every time we get on the kayak, it's windy. That was a bite. And I'm getting floated back into wherever I'm going. Yep, there's there. Not having a good time on the jet. Not exactly ideal, I can tell you that. Think we got something there. Ooh. Hell yeah. This is... Oh. Heck yeah, man. That's probably the biggest one I've seen in here. They still kind of small, but biggest in here. Heck yeah, man. I didn't even realize I had him. There you go, buddy. Much appreciated. That is the biggest I've caught in here in a long time. Goodness, goodness. Come on. Oh. I'm ready to yell these windy days. Or we're begging for a breeze. That's what I'm ready for. Maybe over here. I haven't caught anything over here in a minute. Ah. Well, I'm 200 pounds sitting on this kayak. Of course you're going to push me everywhere I don't want to go. Well, that was a good cast. Thing is, I was running a crankbait. Ah. There we go. Hey, they're fighting. Oh, he got a little smaller. Hang on, buddy. I gotta grab pliers. You're too little to be biting my hook. Oh, itty bitty one. He counts. Thank you. Ah! Well, good news is I've got an end. That's all I really want to fish with. And this is. I don't really want to use the pink Ned worm. use a crawl. It's kind of my plan. We're gonna have to go weedless this time, which is not a bad thing at all. I guess they're bedding right here. I think an anchor would do me. Oh, oh my God. I know it. Oh, oh, oh my goodness, how am I gonna get him? Oh, gosh darn. Come here, buddy. I ain't trying to kill you, I promise. I knew I felt him. Oh. That has to be the wildest hook set I've ever had. Oh, we flung him in. Oh, we damaged his scales. Man, I'm sorry. I'm not even gonna try to get you in there. Here you go. There you go, brother. Much appreciated. Oh man. I've never had a hook set that crazy before. Oh, I felt him bite, and then I just kind of let it sit back in there. You might want to do a maintenance cast because that was kind of yucky. Off the maintenance cast. Oh, well, they're fired up. I can give them that. They are fired up. Oh, we're gonna have to get the tires out again. Yep, another one. I then forgot how many we've caught so far. There you go, brother. Thank you. So we've done caught a few. That was just a maintenance cast after catching the one, throwing him in the tree. Like I said, I reckon we're not catching any big ones now, but so that first one in here, he was a pretty good, I would have to say a pound or so. Well guys, thank you for sticking around watching the video all the way through. So make sure if you liked our content, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If there's anything that you would like me to change on next videos, such as the editing style, other places to go fishing, some lures you want me to try and check out, leave that in the comment, guys. I'm always willing to change and try other stuff, especially with this channel being so new. So yeah guys, we're gonna catch y'all in the next week.